Is WebRTC peer-to-peer or client-to-server?
The answer is yes.
Okay.
It is both.
What does that mean?
It does support establishing a direct connection between two different browsers. Yes. But that's no longer the majority of the usage these days. These days, it's mostly talking to the server. I think the numbers are at least 50% from what I see in Chrome.
I think it also depends how you actually go and define peer-to-peer and client-to-server. Because let's look at peer-to-peer with WebRTC. I still need the server in order to send the SDP messages to connect my call to someone else. Even if the call is going to be peer-to-peer, I mean, they're going from one client to another. Now, even in peer-to-peer, I might go through a turn server. So the browsers are going to be clients to that turn server or whatever you want to look at that. And then if you're in a group call and there is an SFU or an MCU, media servers, then again, you're working from a client to a server. Now, the funny thing also is, how do you define client and server? Usually it's the way that the client is the one opening the connection to the server, which is the host. But in WebRTC, I can do it both ways. So every WebRTC client is both a client and a server when you look at it from a networking perspective.
Yes.
So the answer is yes to everything here, in a way.
Yes. And I think Emil Ivov had a great Cranky Geek talk, I think in 2015, 10 years ago.
Maybe.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Yes, but I mean, what we currently see is people saying, oh, WebRTC is peer-to-peer, that sucks. And then they're probably talking about full mesh, which is like, yes, full mesh sucks. We've known for a decade.
For me, it's people say, well, WebRTC sucks. Here's our WebRTC solution to solve that WebRTC sucks. But it is still WebRTC, so that's fine.